Hello everybody, welcome to our live show. I'm Candy and this is my colleague Vita.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Vita. Okay, now what's the topic of this live show?
Okay, let me announce it. Our topic is for into flexible hose product and there are three parts. In the first part, we will go through the basic introduction of the flexible hose branch company, and next we will focus on our products. We'll share you more information about our fire flexible hose and anti-vibration hose. And then we will show you around our production workshop. You can experience the production process online, from which you can have a better, deeper impression.
Wow, it sounds great. It must be interesting and a good opportunity to know the hose company and its product. So, mission to make the group people always firstly think about the pipe fittings. Our Mac brand iron fittings and ductile iron groove fittings has a long history and now being a leading position in the industry. To broaden our product ranges and provide our customer with complete and efficient solutions, we develop new products. And the joint venture was established in 2019, named Made-Era's Mentor Product Company Limited. In short, Era's is a country subsidiary of Made Group.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Vita. And to be honest, to achieve the complementary advantages and win-win cooperation, Made and the joint venture partner work together to develop and produce the product with a higher level and better design in the industry, and promote them to the affluent users with the help of Made Group's powerful global customers platform. And at present, our Mac brand flexible hose has been successfully sold to more than 30 countries and regions in North America, Europe, Middle East, with its silent design and better quality. And expected that by the end of 2021, Made-Era's will realize annual output value more than 300 million RMB.
The power of this company development is so exciting, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, now we look about the products. We have the fire flexible hoses, the anti-vibration hoses, gas hoses, and other type mentor hoses. So now we focus on the fire flexible hoses.
Okay, fire flexible hoses, just as its name implies, are the flexible hose used in the fire protection system. The fire flexible hose connection method may be unfamiliar to some customers. It's a new kind of connection method used to connect the sprinkler head to the main pipe in the sprinkler system. And it replaces the traditional hard pipe and consists of a stainless steel hose and a mounting bracket.
I will show you two installation pictures to help you understand better about the fire flexible hoses. It's a new solution for installation of atomic sprinkler system. So what advantages does it have compared with the traditional hard pipe connection? The first is the improvement of the installation speed. The professional requirements are not so high, and the assembly worker is free to bend fire flexible to avoid obstacle and adapt to emergencies on site. The ordinary workers can start work after simple training, so the installation speed can get a big improve. Now we look at some data. The fire flexible hoses takes about 10 minutes. One worker can finish the 48 sets per day. The hard pipe connection takes about 25 minutes. About 20 installations can be finished. 3 workers are required, with an average 6 per worker. So the overall installation speed increased by 8 times. So, which is a qualitative leap for the atomic sprinkler system.
Yes, and the sprinkler head connected by the fire flexible hose could be adjusted after installation. And the use of fire flexible hose, the sprinkler head, ceilings, and other auxiliary jobs could be done at the same time. So the construction period and the installation speed could be improved by more than 60%, especially now in the epidemic time. The construction workers are seriously insufficient, so the use of the fire flexible hose could be greatly improve the installation speed and shorten the construction period. According to the statistics, the use of fire flexible hose could be improve the construction period and also can save more than 40% of the cost.
In addition to the cost saving, the safety of the fire flexible hoses is not matched by the traditional hard pipe connection. With the fire flexible hoses, just only need to connect sprinkler and main pipe on line, but the traditional hard pipe connection need to combine several malleable iron fittings with the steel pipe fittings. One 3D connection point means one more risk of water leakage. We do 100% leak tested before leaving the factory. Our hose fire flexible hoses has no leakage risk point, so the security factor has a big improve.
Yes, exactly. And Vita, have you ever been in a construction site?
No, never.
Actually, I have an experience to the construction site. We all know in the site we need to use the electrical tools for pipe cutting and threading. It's known that a construction site is a complete chaos. I just have a photo to show you. How about your feeling?
I think this is so mess.
Yes, and also the use of electrical tools on the construction site may bring some potential safety hazards. So if the fire flexible hose used, these problems will not occur. And we only need to send one box of flexible hose, which including hose body, brackets, and accessories. We needed to open the box plus one wrench to solve all the problems, and the construction site can be kept clean and orderly.
As you said, the advantages of the fire flexible hoses compared with the traditional hard pipe is so obvious. Although the price of the fire flexible hoses is much higher than the hard pipe, but the cost of the installation and the security risk are decreased.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, now we will show you other series of the fire flexible hoses.
Okay, there are two series of the Mac brand fire flexible hoses, braided and unbraided. First, to introduce the FU series. Without the outlet stainless steel braiding. The corrugated pipe of the FU series is with high strength. It can withstand of more than 200 psi, even without the protection of the braid. And it has obtained UL and CUL certificates. There are totally 5 lengths for choice. 28-inch, 40-inch, 48-inch, 60-inch, and 72-inch. The product is with high cost effective as there is no outside braiding part, so the cost is reduced.
Another one is FB series, which is with stainless steel braiding. The corrugated pipe of the type of this product is protected by a layer of braiding, so the inner corrugated pipe are very soft. The product are supposed to pass a bending test with 50,000 times. Soft means the fire flexible can bend willfully, so making it easier for workers to install. We also have 5 lengths for your choice: 28-inch, 40-inch, 48-inch, 16-inch, and 72-inch. All items have passed the FM and UL certificates.
Yes, except to the about 2 series, we also provide several kinds of joint parts. there are 4 types of the string outlet types, and if the construction site is narrow, the long elbow could be chosen for the sprinkler connection to avoid the obstacles.
Okay, after introducing our star products, the fire flexible hoses, now let's ceremoniously present another product, the anti-vibration hoses. It is widely used in domestic market. There will be a widespread use at overseas market. The anti-vibration hoses made of the unruly corrugated pipe, high strength breathing, and copper or brazing ends. They are designed for good performance in mechanical system through absorb vibration and related damages. Also to prevent the noise occurs in mechanical piping or various applications.
Yes, the vibration exists in mechanical systems may cause many serious problems for the users, such as a lot of material fatigue and some noises. So we developed the anti-vibration hoses. It can effectively reduce the vibration and noise transmission. Can be widely used in the refrigeration systems, air conditioner, pressure systems, pumps, engines, and other fields. Also, our company can provide all kinds of OEM service in different fields, such as gas, sanitary ware, high-speed trains, steam boilers, and petrochemicals, and so on. Okay, Vita, have you ever wondered how such a great product is made?
Yes, I think many audience friends have the same question with me. So we invited our colleague Valence to take us to the production workshop site to have a look. Okay, now turn it over to Valence.
Thank you, my colleagues. Hi, my friends. I'm Wallace. I'm in the warehouse of our factory. I'm going to introduce to you the whole process of how flexible hoses are made. For flexible hoses, the main materials are stainless steel belts and wires. We're going to do 100% inspection before stocking them. We're going to inspect the thickness, weight, and content of nickel of these stainless steel belts. So we're going to go to our workshop. You can see our workshop is clean and tidy. We have 3 parts. This is the hose making line. That is the assembly line. We have another part far away for packaging line. We have 3 machines for hose making. All these machines are imported from Europe, which might be the most advanced equipment in China. Hose making includes 4 steps: welding, cooling, foaming, and washing. So let's get started from welding. This is the first step, welding. After this step, this belt, stainless steel belt, is made to the hoses. We adopt the most advanced micro-beam plasma welding machine from Germany. This machine ensures the beautiful and firm seam. Okay, next step is pulling. You can see the clamps of the tractor is round, just to ensure we cause no damage during this process to the roundness of the hoses. Okay, this part is the most important part of hose making, forming. You can see the corrugation is not made during one time. It's made by 4 steps. After each step, the corrugation gets more and more dense, which is really important because only this way can make the hoses flexible. The last step of hose making is washing. We wash the flexible hoses with high pressure water until the temperature may reach more than 80 degrees. Okay, after the hose making, we have a quality control point. We're gonna test every inch of the flexible hoses. Let's ask my colleagues, how do we test the flexible hoses? 师傅，我们是怎么检测这个细胞软管的？
我们是用0.高8兆头的气压，保压5分钟测试。
Okay. Okay, we're gonna test these flexible hoses with 0.8 megapascal pressure for 5 minutes. After this quality control point, for unbreeding hoses, we're gonna have the hoses cut and assembled. But for breeding hoses, we need to make the mesh first. So I'm gonna show you our mesh machine. This is our mesh machine. This machine is also imported from Europe. It can assure the uniform of the neat mesh in high tensile strength. This is how it works. Okay, we're gonna go into our assembly line. It has 4 steps during the assembly line. The first step is cut. We adopt automatic cutting machine. This machine can assure we cut the hoses uniform and have very flat cutting end. And next step, we need to cover the hoses with the mesh. Okay. After we cover this, we need to connect them together. Connect the mesh with the hoses. We use this machine to connect them together. It is applicable to a wide range of sizes. We just need to change the clamps. After they're connected, we need to deburr. After deburring, you can say this end is quite flat. Okay, another important step of assembly is welding. We adopt a very advanced machine of welding. You can see the difference between our products and the others' products. From this point, from the welding machine, you can see the difference is quite obvious. So let me ask our colleagues, what's the difference between this product and this product? 师傅，这两个焊接的地方有什么不同啊？
我们采用的是那个T2G全自动焊接技术。对比其他厂家，他们用的是那种铅焊技术。我们使用的是，我们不需要任何的焊剂。所以这个焊缝非常的干净平整。没有气孔。那个焊接处熔深度非常的均匀。可承受更高的温度。质量可靠性更强一些。
是的。So this tech is quite different. This one is welded by lead welding, but our products are welded with TIG welding. You can see the difference obvious. So we have another quality control point during our assembly line. We have a tightness test. We test the leakage with the helium detector. If the flexible hoses leaks, this machine will give us alarm. Okay, we're gonna go to the packaging line. After all these was made, we're gonna have the final quality control point. Our colleagues need to inspect the length of the flexible hose and the appearance of the flexible hose to make sure every product from our factory doesn't have the leakage problem. This product is used in the mechanical equipment. Also, we have assembly lines, packaging lines over there. We have a very advanced laser marking machine. We're not going there, but I'm gonna show you how they make our products beautiful. You can see these numbers are marked by the laser marking machine. Very beautiful. And this one, the direction of the flow. Okay, that is the whole process of the production. Welcome to our factory in the future. I'm gonna give the time to my colleagues in the R&D center. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Okay, thanks, Valence. The advanced technology and the strict quality inspection ensure the high quality of each product, so the clients can buy at ease and use at ease. It must be mentioned again that products made by MED will be excellent.
Yes, of course. Okay, that's all for this live show, and thank you for your continuous attention.
Okay, thanks for your time. See you.
Okay, hope to see you next time.